In December 2019, China notified the World Health Organization of several cases of human respiratory illness, a disease later named COVID-19. The virus causing this disease is known as severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The disease spreads through small droplets that are expelled from the nose or mouth when a person with COVID-19 coughs or exhales. Therefore, standing close to someone who is infected can put you at risk. These droplets can land on your hand and be transmitted through something as simple as a handshake, if afterwards you touch your eyes, nose, or mouth, the so-called T-zone. The virus is known to survive on different types of surfaces, so touching these contaminated surfaces and then touching your T-zone brings a high risk of infection. What we know so far: the coronavirus is spherical in shape, and its genetic material is encapsulated by different types of proteins. Some of the key structural ones are spike S protein, the most prominent feature of coronaviruses from where they get their name, then M, or membrane protein, and the so-called envelope protein.
Very good morning to all of you dear friends. Today's class exercise 16.2 from data analysis. Question number 3 is the last video में आप question number 1 to question number till 2 question 2 complete कर चुके हैं and next question number 3. Language of question: the following bar graph shows the number of bicycles manufactured in a factory during the years 2008 to 2012. Okay, given bar graph inform BR number of bicycles constructed by a factory during time 2008 to 2012. Okay, so bar graph this vertically bicycle manufactured, number of bicycle manufactured. Okay, we are represent the vertically bicycle manufactured and horizontally years 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011 and 2012 respectively. Okay, number of bicycles scale here and bar graph 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 10 to 800 and 900. Okay, so scale this is here bar graph 0 to 100. So scale 1 unit is equal 100 bicycles. Okay, so questions: what is the scale of this graph? ग्राफ पे इसका स्केल क्या है? 0 to 100, 100 to 200. It means alternate difference is 100. Every time यहाँ पर यहाँ ये कह सकते हैं, we can say that every time difference is या every time 100 is increasement. Okay, so scale is here 1 unit is equal 100 bicycles. Next, B part: in which year did the factory manufacture 300 less bicycles than the previous year? Just previous year से next 300 bicycles इस year में उसने manufacture की है. Okay, यह यहाँ पर ही construct की है by a factory. So then इसी जो previous year suppose that इस year के लिए क्या होगा 2020 part answer 2012. Okay, I hope you are understand. This year 2011 number of bicycles manufactured 800, and in 2012 number of bicycles manufactured 500. 800 minus 500 is equal 300. Difference is here 300. Okay, so according to question language, in which year did the factory manufacture 300 less bicycles than the previous year? Just previous year से यहाँ पर कितनी bicycles less than manufactured हो रहा है पर 300 bicycles का. Okay, so answer is here 2012. Okay, next C part. How many bicycles were manufactured in year 2009? 2009 400 and 500. Between 400 and 500 unit. 1 unit is equal 100. 100 is just half. So 50. So 400 and 500 between 450. Okay. So in 2009 years, number of bicycles manufactured in 450. Next D. Using bar graph, draw data table. Okay. D. BF, draw the table according to study the bar graph. Okay. Horizontally years and vertically bicycles manufactured. Okay. So years and number of bicycles manufacturer. Okay, years and 2008 number of bicycles manufactured by a factory 400, and 2008 400 years. This is year and number of bicycles. Okay, in 2009 450. Okay, in year 2009 450. So 450, and next year 2010 and 2010 300 bicycles. So 300, and 2011 800 bicycles. Okay, 800, and 2012 500. Okay, and 2000 manufactured by a factory bicycles 500. So complete this table. Okay, so pause the video and noted it. Dear friends, next question number 4. Language of question. A survey asks the question, what is the most important thing kids can do to protect the environment? The results are shown in the table. The results are shown in the table. Choose a scale for the bar graph of the given data. Draw and label the bar graph. Draw and label bar graph. Okay, so we have draw the bar graph given this table. Activity, here activity, recycle, buy environmental friendly product, write your elected representatives, and raise money, and last plant trees. This is activities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. यही क्वेश्चंस किया गया है, सर्वे में क्वेश्चंस पूछा गया है. कौन जो भी आ रहा है कितना है 800, रिसाइकल के लिए 800, एंड बाय एनवायरमेंटल फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट्स 350, राइट योर इलेक्टेड 100 से रिलेटेड 0 to 100, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 and 700 and 800। तो हम यहाँ से क्या कर सकते हैं इन एक्टिविटीज का इसकी scale for bar of 1 unit is equal 100 response, 100, 200, so number of response on vertically, label is here vertically, okay। Number of and number of respondents label is here vertically and activity is label is here horizontally, okay। Okay, next recycles, number of response 800, here recycle, okay। Activity of recycle from a environmental response, next activity by environmental friendly products 350, so 350 is here exactly half, 300 and 400 between 350, okay। This activity is in short BEFT, okay, BEFT। Next, write to your elected representatives 650 is here, 650 lies this point, okay। This activity WYER, WYER। Next activity raise money, number of response 400, so 400, okay, raise money RM। Next activity and last plant trees 500, so 500 is here, plant trees PT। So I have read the bar graph according to question, okay। Label vertically number of response and horizontally activity, okay, and pause the video, noted it। Dear friends, next question, question number 5 and last from this exercise 16.2, okay। According to question, language the number of students taking part in various games in a secondary school are given one mean bar diagram or bar graph. Okay, so we are draw the bar graph. Number of students taking part in various games. Students in games में participate करते हैं. Athletics number of students 6, and basketball number of students 9, and netball number of students 18, and cricket number of students 24, and football number of students is 21, and tennis number of students is 15. Okay, so skills here. Scale for bar graph or bar diagram, it is 1 unit. Okay, so 1 unit is equal 3 students. Here you are observed that it is all number of students is multiple of 3. So scale here 3 students. 1 unit is equal 3 students. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24. Highest number of students 24. Okay, so last digit is 24. And now athletics, number of students participate in games 6. So 6 here. Athletics. Okay, number of students 6. Yes, 1 minute. Vertically, number of students and level of horizontally games. Okay, so number of 6 students is in game with athletics. Okay, next game basketball, number of students is 9. So is here 9. Okay, 3, 6, 9. So number of students 9 participate in basketball games. So basketball next game netball, number of students 18. So 18 is here. This game is netball. Next game cricket, number of students 24. Highest value number of students 24. So 24. Number of students 24 in game cricket. And next game football, number of students is 21. So 21 is here. So this game is football. 10s. Okay. So dear friends, here now your exercise 16.2 complete. Okay. I hope you are understand